If your S3 roll-R cover is slowing down and stopping halfway or 3/4 way when opening, it may be time to perform a simple service. Open the roll top completely. Remove and retain canister cover screws on both sides. Remove cover to clean debris in canister. Clean side rails. Spray lubricant on your finger and apply to side rail top seals on both sides. Roll-R cover is to be in the closed position to gain access to convolute. Clean canister. Spray convolute with lubricant. Lube both sides. Now replace cover to the canister. Using countersunk screws retained, line up end cap holes to the threads on the side rail. Fasten to 3 Nm torque. Repeat to the other side.